Welcome to Let's Merchandise. I'm Stephanie Beyer, Merchandising Director for Howard's, and today I will be demonstrating how quick and easy it is to assemble our 12-peg jewelry board. First, we recommend you remove all of the hexagon nuts from the pegs. By doing this speeds up the process. You could do each peg one by one, but I find this to be a faster way to do it. The jewelry boards were designed so that the pegs could be snapped into place. Apply a little bit of pressure, and when you hear that snap sound, they're in place. Once you have all the pegs in place, turn the board backwards and then take the nuts and secure them onto the peg. Once you have all the nuts secure, go through and make sure that the pegs are pointing upright so that the carding hangs correctly on the peg. And this is how you assemble the 12-peg jewelry board. Thank you for joining us today with Let's Merchandise. Of course.